What sellers should do before leaving the house after closing. Before you hand over the keys, there are a few important things to check off your list. Clean up thoroughly. Start by giving your home a good cleaning. Sweep floors, wipe down countertops, and clean bathrooms and windows. Don't forget to mow the lawn and tidy up the yard. Remove all personal items. Double-check every nook and cranny, closets, cabinets, garages. Make sure all your personal belongings are removed. Repair minor issues. If you agreed to any minor repairs, like patching up holes or fixing a cabinet, make sure those are handled before leaving. Cancel utilities and services. Don't forget to call your utility providers to cancel services, including electricity, gas, water, and internet. Effective from the closing date. Leave warranties and manuals. Gather appliance warranties and manuals for the new owners. This will be a great help to them. Collect keys and access items. Make sure to collect all keys, garage door openers, and mailbox keys to hand over. Set up mail forwarding. Set up mail forwarding with the post office and update your address for important accounts like banks and subscriptions. Do a final walkthrough. Finally, do one last walkthrough of the house to make sure everything is as promised to the buyers, ready to hand over the keys. By following these simple steps, you'll leave the home in great shape and make the transition easier for the new owners. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more real estate tips.